so excited for this walkthrough Wednesday because I'm with Tom of Providence Homes by Bill Sellers, and we are in the Colony at 20 Mile. The Colony is one of the hottest neighborhoods here in Nocatee, and Tom is going to show us one of their two magnificent models that they have. Thanks for having us, Tom.
It's great. Thanks for coming out. And this is our Franklin model. This is our best-selling home.
Oh, wow. Beautiful ceiling. And look at the grand entryway. Very wide. They put a beautiful piece of furniture right here.
So the home comes as a 4-bedroom, 3-bath, and we have added a bonus room on this one that takes it to a 5-bedroom, 4-bath. It does have a 3-car garage, functional 3-car garage. In other words, you can actually park 3 cars.
I love that.
And what we just took a look at was coming off of the 1-car garage. This is what we call our kid zone. There are several options. You can do this, or you can just do uppers and lower cabinets, or you can just leave it empty.
If you have kids, you have to do this because I have yet to see this by any other builder, and this is so unique, and like Carl was saying, it really is cool. And a nice place that the kids aren't doing their homework in their bedrooms.
Correct.
So these could be, if you had 2 children, these could be 2 of their bedrooms. Nice size rooms.
Very nice.
And I always love what your designer does.
Yeah,
you guys have a great designer.
And one of the things that people like is our designer is also the person that you sit with to pick your colors.
Oh, show that
so
closet
in
card.
essence, you're really getting an interior decorator working with you when you pick your colors, which is very rare.
It is, and it's really nice for buyers. And let's show this because this is actually a really great storage area.
Wow.
Of course, they have it as linen, but I really love that. Now I want to show this bathroom because Tom pointed out something that I'd forgotten we don't normally see.
So one of the things that we do in all of our homes is our bathrooms are compartmentalized. And what we mean by that is it's basically 2 rooms. So somebody can be taking a shower and then somebody else can be in here brushing their teeth, which is great if you have more than 1 child living over this side. And then, Carly, I'm going to let you go out and turn around. And this is also nice if you have loud children.
Oh!
Stop.
Is that you can actually just close that off.
I love that. Or if they're studying, Tom, like you're saying, look at they're studying for a test, close it off while you are in the kitchen or watching your television out here. I love that.
Yeah,
that was a smart build right there.
Right.
Can we actually show Carla here to the left? Because they set it up like an office. This is a beautiful. It's a flex space, but
this is a flex space.
But office is smart.
Correct. This could be a formal dining room. This would be a little more open. But nowadays, most people opt for an office. You know, there's a lot of folks that work out of the house.
Correct.
And formal dining has sort of, up to a degree fallen by the wayside.
But you really don't need it in this floor plan because Carling is showing right now the living space, and they have a beautiful table to the right. But you can seat plenty of people. You could put a table over there and seat 12 people, so you don't have to have that separate formal dining, unless, of course, like you're saying, it's something the buyer wants. Actually, if you don't mind, Carling, let's go to the left before we show the kitchen, because I do love their kitchen and counters.
So this would be the 3rd bedroom and bath, and this is like a private suite. And this bathroom also would act as a pool bath if you decided to do a swimming pool, because you obviously can go right outside.
So you have some options.
Correct.
So again, if you have a 3rd child, this could be maybe for your oldest, so it's very private.
Right.
Or it could be a guest space.
Right.
Or like Tom was saying, if you choose to get a pool, look at that pool bath. I mean, love the options. Okay, this is incredible. I got to show this out.
Yep.
Because this really was impressive. And I love the pavers, what Providence did with their pavers out here. I don't know if you can see it on camera. Different colors to almost show like a track that goes around.
Correct.
I love that.
It's a little path.
It really is.
But you can see there's so much room under this covered patio. And in Florida, really, this is where you're going to spend your time. You really do spend your time outside. So there's so many things you can do. And on these home sites, they're so deep that you can easily fit swimming pools, outdoor fireplaces, outdoor kitchens, pretty much anything you want.
And in the colony, I want to remind people you can choose to have a fence. Of course, with the models, they don't always put fences around. But what's nice is you can create your own privacy if you didn't want a fence with your preserve lots, if that's what you're on, with plants surrounding the home. This particular lot is on a preserve, and it really is spectacular. You see the beautiful oak trees and the other plants, part of the preserve life here of Nocatee, because that's what Nocatee is known for. 60% of the 14,000 acres is parks, wetlands, and preserves. So it's a huge selling factor. Now, this kitchen. Oh my
And
gosh.
just real quick, let me just point out that the oak trees are unique to the colony. Most of the preserves that we have pine trees. I think these are the best views in the entire community.
That's a
I
good
really believe that they are.
That's a good
So this is our kitchen with the executive chef upgrade, which is the upper cabinets, the cooktop.
Wow.
Love that.
Exactly.
And I love the different colors. Do you notice that color?
Yeah,
I know you're
yeah,
getting the darker,
yeah.
but then you've got the white. That is just a pop. I love it, love it.
Fun.
And this is something, y'all, Providence has done before, and I freaked out because I love the levels. I
Yes.
love
That
you
is-
can sit
Right.
down here, but it's
Right.
huge. I just love this.
Yeah, and just to dovetail on what you said earlier, there's a tremendous amount of room here, but then you also have extra seating over here. So you
Yeah,
really
why?
can do a lot of, get a lot of people.
You really can. And to be honest, Tom, most people really are working out of their homes.
Mhm.
So in all honesty, that is a great, great office space. Okay, this owner suite. Now, Providence always excites me with what they're gonna do. So I'm very excited to see this. Coming in, love, love, love. Okay,
Wow.
you did not disappoint. I love the colors, and by using this beautiful light shade, it makes the room massive, first of all.
Correct.
Wow.
And the huge bay windows,
Right.
Imagine having coffee right here. Wow.
and looking at those oak trees.
Yeah.
Yep. And then there's a door out from the
Yes.
master right out to the patio if you decide you'd like that.
This is beautiful.
It is. His and hers closets. You can see we put the
Goodness.
barn doors. One of the things that we're real proud of is that anything that you see in our models, we actually offer to our buyers.
And these closets are incredible. They are just very, very large. But this
No.
view that you're seeing as you look down in one moment, Carly will show it again, but just this beautiful hallway, it takes you in to another showstopper, which is the bathroom area. And look at this counter space. And Tom pointed out earlier, he's like, Heather, this is the longest counter space, and it is. So you have plenty of room, and I love the sinks are very separate from one another, so you're not interfering with each other's space.
That's
It's
correct.
seriously though.
No, that's correct.
And another beautiful shower.
Sure. This is the frameless
Love
shower surround enclosure, feature. Plenty of room.
And then of course linen. We've always got a,
Linen.
yeah, I just want to show it. Because again, not every home has a linen
Yep.
closet, so I do love that. And then
this back shot real quick.
Oh, yeah.
I'm gonna be able to show.
no, because it's just beautiful. And then one of my favorite things about Providence Homes years ago, doing a video with Tom that I found, was how they put their laundry room connected to always the owner's suite area. So I love this because if you are the one doing the laundry, you dump it here in the laundry room, you're not walking to another end of the house. But another thing with this laundry room, you're right off of one of the 3-car garages and a drop zone area. So again, if you do have children, you can come in this space, go to the drop zone and drop off those dirty sports equipment, sports laundry.
It was
That's
so
exactly
nice.
right.
It's a nice sized laundry room. I
Yep.
promise you, everyone knows I love a laundry room. But this
And then
pantry. Now this also very unique because we're under the stairs with this pantry.
Correct.
Because this has a bonus room.
Right. So it's a very large pantry.
It's really is
And,
large.
and in any of the homes in this line, we do use the wood shelves, which are very popular. People really like that over the wire shelving.
It's true, and it dresses it up also, and nothing falls through. Because I have wire shelves and stuff is constantly, there's an onion piece falling through. And look at these cabinets as we go around. And I want to remind people that we are again at the Colony at 20 Mile, and the Colony has its own homeowner association park called the Colony Park, where you're going to find a dog park, kids playground, picnic tables, and that is steps away from all the lots here. So again, you need to come out and see Providence Homes and Tom and see that Colony Park. Okay, the chocolate bunny!
The chocolate bunny.
All right, Tom, as we go up the stairs, tell us all about it.
One of the things that we do that no one else does is the way we engineer our insulation for our homes. And the chocolate bunny, the reason we use the chocolate bunny is that we put a chocolate bunny in our attics and they don't melt. Most attics will get 120 to 150 degrees, and the chocolate would be a puddle of chocolate as opposed to a chocolate bunny. This past summer, the attics, when it was 100 degrees out, our attics did not get over 78 degrees. So it really is an amazing system. And what we like to say is there's 3 benefits: lower electric bills, a healthier environment, and a more comfortable environment in the house. And again, every home is built with that feature.
It's important, and
Absolutely.
Also,
I
want to show this real quick. Very important. I just want to show this. I just want to pause. Sorry, I didn't mean to stop, Tom, but I did want to make sure that this is a bonus space. Beautiful bathroom, huge closet up here. Okay, now keep going, Tom, because let's look at that phone.
So if we look up, what we've done is we've sealed the attic with foam.
Oh, wow.
And that's what Tom's talking about, because that is something unique. You're not going to find that with every builder out there. So this is something that's important and what Tom's trying to really get across.
In fact, no other builder even offers it. So with us, it's included in every home.
Yeah.
And for example, if you're anyone in your family has allergies or asthma, this is such a much more clean environment, healthy environment, because we're not pulling that allergens and the dust from the outside. So that's a big benefit of what we do
and a huge
here.
selling point. And that's something we hear about with Providence Homes. So again, when you're coming to tour the Providence Homes model by Bill Seller, again, we love him. He started it. This is a great company. Lots of great feedback we get. So you need to come check out that chocolate bunny. You need to come to the Colony at 20 Mile, because this really is a hot neighborhood and it's going to sell out fast. They've already sold a ton. All right, bye you guys. Thanks for watching.
Bye.